Okay guys, I want to show you how to sell your Etsy products on Instagram using the link in your bio. So the way it works is you will create a link, and when a user clicks this link, they're going to see all of your Instagram posts in a feed. This is called an Instagram gallery. Now each of these posts link directly to your Etsy listing. So if I wanted to buy this red mask, by clicking that link, that post, it goes directly to your listing on Etsy. So this is a great way for you to connect or get your followers to buy your products using the link in your bio. So let me show you how to do that. So what you want to do is go to LinkInBio.xyz, and this is where we're going to create the URL, and we're going to create the Instagram gallery, and then we're going to connect each of the gallery posts directly to your Etsy listing. So go ahead and log in. Okay, so once you're logged in, you'll either need to create a project or choose an existing one. So for me, I already have a demo built, so I'm gonna go to my demo. And then what you're gonna wanna do is either create a project or choose an existing project. So I already have that done. Okay, so once you're in your project, you can create your URL, which is right here. You can choose a domain from the drop down, and then you can type out the name. So if you want to put in your Instagram page name or whatever you want, this is where you put it. And then go ahead and set up your page, set your profile image, set your title, description. Go ahead and work through that. It's all self-explanatory. But really what we want to look at is how to create that Instagram gallery. So what you do is you click on this links and you click on create. And what you're going to choose is Instagram feed. Now, what you have to do is you have to connect to Instagram, so you have to give LinkInBio access to your posts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So it's just asking for basic permissions, nothing intrusive, so we're going to allow that. Instagram's going to authenticate and give us permission to pull your posts. Okay, so now you'll see that you have a new option here, and if you click Instagram feed, we've pulled in all of your current posts. Now what we want to do is we want to link each one of these posts directly to our listing on Etsy. So I'm going to work my way backwards on this. So I'm going to click, the first thing you want to do is connect to Etsy. So now we're going to connect to Etsy. Click that. Now we want to give Etsy permission. So we log down here. We allow access. So now Instagram has access to all of our listings on Etsy. Now that we have permission from Etsy, click on a post, which you'll see in grayscale. Click that, and it brings it here. We want to link this mask to our listing. So we click More Link, go to Product Marketplace. Let's find our listing. So we've imported these from Etsy for you, since you gave us permission. And we're going to find that product, click that, and we're going to tag the product. And now you'll see that it has become color, meaning that it's linked. So I'm going to go ahead and go through each one of these, and I'm going to click this, click More Link. I'm going to go to Etsy. I'm going to find the product or the listing. I'm going to link it to this thumbnail. I'm going to tag that product. I'm going to do it one more time, and then I'll speed up the camera for you. So I'm going to link this mask to the listing on Etsy, which is right here. Tag the product. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will catch you when I'm done. Okay, so now you'll see that all of these posts are in color. That means they've been linked to the Etsy product. Now, if you go to this link at the very top, and we can copy that to clipboard, or what you would want to do is add it to Instagram. So if I click Add to Instagram, it's going to bring me to my settings page on Instagram, and you can paste that link right in your bio, just like that. Okay, and so now that we've created the link, if you click on that link, it's going to bring up the page you just created, your link in bio. Now each one of these posts is identical to what people will see on your Instagram page. And if you want to buy the red mask, you click the red buy, and boom, there you go. It goes right to your listing, and the user can go through the checkout process on Etsy. So this is just one more way that you can get your followers to buy from your Etsy store. And it's one more easy way that you can connect all of your products to post. So anyways, that's how you do it. Go to linkinbio.xyz. You can set up your Instagram gallery. It's free. So link in bio, go ahead and create your URL, add your URL to your link in bio, connect all of your posts to galleries, which is right here, and then each post will go directly to your Etsy page where people can buy. So it's a seamless integration, and I hope you enjoyed the video.